Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio and today we're going to review the account of one of our traders, Sijabat. Sijabat joined our funded trader program last August on the 20th and he hit his first 10% target on the 6th of November. So congratulations Sijabat on your first target with us. Let's have a look at his equity line to have a better understanding of what he did. So we can see, first of all, a nice upward sloping equity line. And we can first of all notice how Sijabat managed to hold the balance on his first 10 days with us, 10 days, 2 weeks with us, and then he started to gain some consistent profits. We can see here on the 6th of October, he was up on his account by 8%, very good. Then something happened and he basically gave back to the market some of his profit. He went back to 3.55% and on the 13th of October. And then we can see how from the mid of October up to when he first hit his target, he went just basically one way up to his 10%. Very good. Let's have a look at the statistics. So we can see how his average daily return is 0.13%, a monthly return of 4.08% on average, of course, and a drawdown of 6.43%. And this is basically what happened here in the beginning and also here in the first half of October, because again he never went in negative territory, maybe only here, but we're talking about just a -1%, so it's not even worth to mention that. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics. So Sijabat took 141 trades with a profitability rate of 75%, which is really good. Let's have a look at his average win and average loss. So on average, he won 11.18 pips and he lost 24.11 pips. But since he has a very good profitability rate, he still managed to be profitable on his account. Regarding the best trade and worst trade, let's have a look dollar-wise. His best trade was on the 28th of October. He gained $289, and on his worst trade on the 13th, so just 1 week earlier, he lost $282. So let's have also a look from a pip point of view. On September the 8th, he gained 117 pips, very good. And on the 7th of October, just 1 day earlier, he lost just 59 pips. Okay, let's have a look at the summary to see if Sijabat focused on a pair more than others. So we can see several positions here. He took several positions in almost all the currency pairs available for him. But yeah, we can see here 30 trades open on the euro dollar. Unfortunate for him, he lost $410. Then we can see here 22 position on the on the pound yen. He gained 261 pips on this pair, very well done, and basically he gained $1,136. So this is a very good result. Let's also have a look at here 26 positions on the pound dollar. He gained 53 pips and he managed to get $428. Very well done. We mentioned here his biggest loss on the euro dollar. We have 4 losing trade also on the pound Aussie, but again we can see here good results on, for example, the New Zealand yen. Only 1 trade, he gained $289. So very good, very well done. Let's have a look at his monthly gains. So when he first started, he was down 1.28%, and we saw this by his equity line. Then September was a very good month for him. He gained 7.19%. A good October overall, 3.3%, and November, of course, this is just started, and he gained 2.5%. Let's have a look at the duration of his position on average. So his average trade length is 4 hours and 26 minutes, so a short-term trader. And let's have a look. So at the maximum, he held positions for 1 day. And we can see how the majority of his trade were held for 8 hours and 28 minutes, below 8 hours, and just some of his positions were held longer. What is important to notice is that only 1, 2, and 3 positions of those that he kept longer than 8 hours were negative position. The other were only positive trades. So very good management of your trades. Okay, Sijabat, very well done. And also for you, we look forward to do the second review of your account.